Assalamualaikum friend, it's me your host Mamil Khan and you're watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I'm here with a new amazing token site which name is Sunny Leone token, and this is the world first Bollywood celebrity name coin, and she is a female celebrity of the Indian films Bollywood, and today I'm going to show you how you can generate a huge profit by buying their tokens from their pre-sale, and how we can add their token in our wallet, and how we can buy their token from their site by connecting their site in our wallet. So we also discuss about the big announcement that they offered for their holders, which is very big and amazing offer. So you can buy their tokens from their pre-sale, and you will be able to get a chance to win the big offer that they announced about their project. So before starting my video in detail, I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see my every videos first. So first of all, if you want to get more information in detail, you need to download their white paper. So I also give the link of their white paper in my video description, and you can also find out by clicking on the white paper. So here you can also see their introduction. So their fair launch in October 2021, and Sunny Leone coin is the fastest growing cryptocurrency of kind, as Leone is fully decentralized and on a mission to bring the popular cryptocurrency accept to the mainstream in one easy to understand project. So you can also see the other detail like transparency, about their community, about their trust. This is a trusted site, and longevity and tokenomics here. So this is the white paper. So we discuss about the other things that they offered, and that they that they give the big announce and big rewards at the end of their pre-sale. So here you can see that this is their big announce. If anyone buy 1 BNB and more, then will get 100% extra tokens, and it is the Sunny Leone coin public pre-sale ending offer for their holders that want to buy their tokens with their 1 BNB. So hurry up guys, their public pre-sale will be over, and only one day is remaining to end their pre-sale, and you will get a huge profit in future by buying their tokens from their pre-sale, because their listing price is $0.20, which is equal to 20 cents, and their now pre-sale price is $0.008. So their pre-sale is live now. So if you want to get other information, so you can also check this. Their exchange is upcoming, and this is the officially applied for listing on Hotbit. Now we discuss about the tokenomics. The total supply is mentioned here, which is 100 million. At the public pre-sale, they have a token of they have their 10 million of token for the public pre-sale, and 50% burning on PancakeSwap listing, which is equal to and 50 million will be burned. So after checking their tokenomics, you can also find the simple steps how you can buy their tokens with your Trust wallet. So you can see their video, and you will easily understand how you can get their token by using your Trust wallet. So after seeing this video, we discuss about the frequently asked question. Frequently asked question are those questions which means fake. Fake mean all those questions that you should have in your mind regarding their project, or if you have any problem regarding their project, so you can find out by searching out the answer of this question. So after discussing it, we discuss about the roadmap. If you want to see their roadmap, you need to click on the roadmap, and here you will find out their roadmap. Basically, roadmap are the plans that they set according to the different time period and different phases. So their phase 1 is about the birth plans, and first plan is marketing push to spread awareness, website launch, 5,000 Telegram members, mem development, and Sunny Leone coin is born. So their phase 2 is about the crawl, and they have different plans from the phase 1. They include the influencer marketing push, listing on the CoinGecko, listing on CoinMarketCap, 15,000 Telegram members, 5,000 holders, third party audit. And in phase 3 they include the walk. It's mean 10,000 holders, 25,000 Telegram members, airdrop, large influencer marketing push, After this, you can also see that they also have their phase 4, which include 50,000 holders. S. Leone means Sunny Leone swap, website redesign, and in phase 5 they have plans for jump. So they have a plan to get the 100,000 holders and release NFT marketplace, NFT collection, and NFT game giveaways, surprise to promote campaign of S. Leone or at $100 million market cap. So in phase 6, you can see that they have a plan to go to the moon, reach to the moon. So they have a plan to get 1 million holders. So S. Leone at $1 billion market cap to the moon. So after this, you can also see their contract address. If you want to add their token, you need to copy their contract address to find and to add their tokens in your wallet. So after this, we discuss about their other things like social medias. In my every video, I recommend you all to subscribe and follow their social medias. If you want to buy their tokens, or if you want to invest, or if you have interest to invest in their site, so you need to follow their social medias group like Twitter and Telegram. So here you can their Twitter account. They have 1184 followers. So they joined in September, and here you can also see check their pin message on daily basis. Pin message are basically the big announcement and big updates regarding their project. So if you follow and subscribe their social media group, so it will be easy to you to find out the every solution of the problem that you have regarding their project, and you will easily find out that how many time you should hold their tokens and how many profit you can earn from their tokens and from their projects. So after this, we discuss about their Telegram group. So here you can see that this is their Telegram group. You can subscribe it Telegram channel, and you can also check their pin message on their Telegram channel. So pin message are basically their big announcement and update regarding their updates regarding their project. So after discussing about their social medias, we discuss about the other things. Now we discuss how we add their token in our MetaMask and how we buy their tokens from their MetaMask. So you need to open your MetaMask and connect your MetaMask with their website. So you need to connect your MetaMask with their site. So you need to click on the connect, and here you can see that my MetaMask is connected with their site. And now we discuss how we add their token in your wallet. So you need to click on the expand view, and here you will find out the page of your MetaMask on the computer screen, and you need to click on the add token and paste the address that we copied from their site. So after pasting the address, other things you can receive automatically, and you need to click on the next and add token. So their token, you can see that their token is added in my trust wallet, and after adding their trust wallet, we discuss about how we can buy their tokens from their pre-sale. So here you can see that their time period is 1 day and 2 minutes is remaining to end their pre-sale now, and you can also find their contract address. So you can also find their raised token that you can earn from their BNB, and token sold, data of their remaining, and token sold also. So if you want to buy their tokens with your 1 BNB, so you need to write the 1 BNB here, and you can also find the number of the token that you can buy with your 1 BNB, and you need to click on the buy. So when you click on the buy, their tokens automatically added to your wallet, and you will receive a confirmation message. So my wallet don't have any BNB, so I'm not able to buy their tokens because I don't have any balance in my MetaMask. So it is very necessary to buy their tokens. You should have BNB in your wallet. So you have contribute of 5 BNB maximum purchase limit, and can spend max 5 BNB more. And in my wallet, you can see that in my wallet 0 S Leone token now, and token you can also check their token sale information. Their hard cap is 200 BNB, and their rate is you can buy their tokens 50,000 tokens with 1 BNB, and their purchase limit is 5. So they start from Friday 24th of September, and they end on Sunday 10th of October 2021 Pakistan Standard Time. So their duration is 16 days, 0 hours, and 1 day, only 1 day is remaining, and you can also buy their tokens by sending BNB directly from your wallet to this contract address. So you can copy it and send the BNB at this address. Then so these tokens also automatically added to your wallet, and you receive their tokens in your wallet. So this is my short video about the Sunny Leone token. Thank you very much to seeing my complete video. Allah Hafiz.